Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a spindle design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And all dimension is you can see here on the screen, and all dimension is perfect and correct. Okay, and all 2D drafting is also available here. This body is design and this is a spindle, and all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is a this all parts is a assemble here, and this project is completed here. And this project is a stop wall project, and how to this body is designed. And also this is a cosmetic thread, and this length is 25 millimeter, and size is 20 millimeter, and ISO standard. Okay, this thread is also this thread, and this cosmetic thread is also, and height is 120 millimeter, and pitch is 6 millimeter, and counter clockwise. Okay, and this is 0 degree. Okay, all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect drawing here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today learn here. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this is a cosmetic thread, and this is a real thread. Okay, this is a thread is used, and this thread is a counterclockwise. Okay, okay, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here a very important lecture for a beginner student. Okay, this is a chamfer is also used here, and this cutout is also perfect. Okay, and perfect and correct. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some setting is very important, and going to this part and use this plain white, and going to this option and document properties. Image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, at first drawing this right plane, because right plane is better, all dimension is showing here. Okay, and this length is 190 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter, and this is a 9 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 11 millimeter, and this hole is a diameter is 4 millimeter, and this is a 9 millimeter, and this chamfer is used here a 2 millimeter 45 degree angle. Okay, and this is a center line is reference line, and drawing a this radius is 14 millimeter and 17 millimeter this and also 14 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and 120 this use a real thread is 120 millimeter is this and pitch is 6 millimeter. Okay, and this 9 millimeter is this and 90 millimeter is this, and upper side is 31 millimeter and 26 millimeter is last, and this is a 20 millimeter, and this 12 millimeter is perfect, and 12 millimeter is a okay and perfect, and also this is a use a thread. This is a 25 millimeter is this okay, and size is M12. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and this cutout is 25 millimeter is this okay, and okay, at first select a right plane, sketch reference line is drawing here easily. A line is this connect to this okay, a line is this select a line and drawing a okay, drawing a this reference geometry, and this geometry is a perfect, drawing this okay, and use a okay, this is a perfect, and again drawing this and select this and use this line, and all one by one is all dimension is this is a 11 millimeter. Okay, and also this is a 32 millimeter is perfect. 32 millimeter is better because this is a big line, and one by one is all is perfect. And also this is a select this 14 millimeter, and this line is a 190 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and drag here this okay, this is a 14 millimeter is a perfect, and okay, and also okay, also connect here this okay, this is a perfect, and this is a select this 17 millimeter, and this distance is a 90 millimeter. Okay, and also connect to this line. Okay, and also this to connect to this and going to this line, and this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a use here this line and connect to this okay, and also this is a this line is connect here, and this use this and use this connect to this, and last is a connect to this. Okay, and this use this is a 17. Okay, correct, and this use this is a 14 perfect, and this is a 20. Okay, and use this is a 12. Okay, and this use a 20, and this use a 9 millimeter. Okay, and this use a 20, and then this use a 31 millimeter is perfect, and also this use a 12 millimeter, and this is a 26 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and all is perfect and correct this. Okay, all is better, and going to this okay, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is a bigger size, then use a one by one is this and also is perfect drawing here. Okay, and all point is use here, and this okay, this use one by one is this 11 millimeter and 32 millimeter is 19 millimeter, and this use 90 millimeter and 31 millimeter and 26 millimeter, and this use 20 millimeter and 12 millimeter. Okay, and 14 millimeter and 17 and 14. Okay, all is drawing here easily, and 9 millimeter is also perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and going to this revolve boss base and click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and this face is a sketch here, normal. Okay, and use this and this use a center rectangle, and this is a perfect, and this is a 20 millimeter, and also this is a 20 millimeter, this is a 25 millimeter, and also this is a 25 millimeter is correct and perfect, and extrude cut is also better, and going to this offset from surface. Okay, and this is a 3 millimeter, and offset is this. Okay, and flip side to cut is better, and okay, click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this is a perfect and correct, and also use a right plane, a hole is created here, and okay, and drawing a circle, and circle is correct. Okay, and this diameter is a 4 millimeter, and this distance is a 9 millimeter is perfect. This is a 9 millimeter is perfect, and this point, and press a control button, and this point is a vertical line. Okay, all point is perfect and correct, and okay, this is a cutout, this is a hole is created here, and 9 millimeter is this, and 4 millimeter is diameter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, this is a mid plane, and use a going to this and this is a 39 millimeter is this, because this is a 39 millimeter is this, and okay. Okay, and use a chamfer. Chamfer is this 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle, both side is this first, and this is use a click a second, and okay, click OK. Both side is perfect, and cosmetic thread is also perfect, because at first going to this option and document properties and detailing, and cosmetic thread is check here, because this is perfect, this showing here, and use a cosmetic thread. Again select insert annotation, and going to cosmetic thread, and use this, because this is checking check here, then this is showing here, and uncheck, this is not showing here. Okay, and this face is select here, and a standard is ISO, and use a size is a 24 millimeter, and this is a 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Next is a use this real thread, and select this face sketch, this select this edge, and use a convert entities. Okay, and this is perfect and correct, and use this going to helix and spiral, and helix and spiral is a height and pitch is a selector. This is a height and pitch, and use a height is 120 millimeter, and pitch is 6 millimeter, and degree is 0 degree, and counterclockwise. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and click OK. And okay, and use a right plane sketch, normal. Okay, and draw a corner rectangle, and drawing a corner rectangle is this, and this is a both like select here and equal, and dimension is used here, a 3 millimeter is perfect. all is correct. And select this point and press the control button, and this line is selected, and this is a user pierce. Okay, and exit, and use a sweep cut. Sweep cut is select a automatic selector this profile and select this path. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct, and click OK. And this line is a hide, and all is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and material is selected, and going to this metal, and this use a copper is this. Okay, and all is a perfect and correct, and isometric view, and also perfect. Okay, and all point is one by one is discussed here. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.